Is AeronTech a scam, or are you just reading the wrong reviews? With so many similar names out there in 2026, shopping for tech online can get confusing fast. Let me break it down for you, so you don't lose your money or your mind. First, there's AeronTech, spelt with a C at the end. This one's legit. They've been around forever in South Africa, supplying advanced composites for aerospace and marine industries. But, heads up, they've recently switched to phone or email orders only. No more walk-ins. So if you're looking for gadgets and see AeronTech, don't expect a shiny phone. Next, AeronTech, with an M. This is your go-to for high-end electronics like the Samsung S25 Ultra and the latest iPhones. TrustIndex reviews in 2025 and 2026 say deliveries are fast, sometimes just a day or two, and customer service is personal. I've seen nothing but high praise here. But here's where you need to be sharp. AeronTech.co, with a .co domain. Major red flags. They're selling everything from cat trees to tech, and prices seem too good to be true. Consumer groups are warning buyers. There's little transparency, and deals that look suspiciously cheap usually are. Finally, there's AeroTech or AeronTech. Notice the spelling variations. They're popping up with flashy ads for LED phone cases. But real customers on Reddit are frustrated. Long shipping delays, poor quality, and some even report strange bank charges after buying. So how do you protect yourself? Double-check the URL before buying. Only shop on secure sites. A padlock icon in your browser means your info is encrypted. Stick to credit cards or PayPal for buyer protection. And always look for third-party reviews, not just glowing testimonials on the seller's page. Stay sharp and you won't get scammed. Hit like if this helped and drop your own experiences below.